In this video, we will learn how to use generative fill to expand photos in Photoshop. So first, go to the menu bar, click on the window, click on the contextual text bar, go to the layer panel. Unlock the photo by clicking on the lock icon. Go to the toolbar. Select the crop tool. Expand the photo in all directions. Click on Generative Expand. Click on the Generate button. Wait a while. You can see that the photo has been expanded nicely. Now click on Add a Promote. I will type kids sitting on horse. Click on Generate. We will expand the bike and see what happens. The bike has been created perfectly. Thanks for watching the video.